Hello guys, this is me Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today there is a new job update for all the freshers and experienced graduate. This job update will be a complete work from home job update. It means if you are able to clear the job, no need to visit anywhere. You can continue your day-to-day roles and responsibilities from your home location. It will be a full-time role and any graduate can apply for this job. Also, there will be no target in this job. So, if you want to get all the details about the job, you can watch the entire video. In this video, I will explain how you can apply for this job, and also I will provide you all the job description and details which you need to know before apply to this job. Also, in the video description area, I will provide you the job application link so that you can directly redirect in the job tab and you can directly apply for this specific role. So if you want to apply for this job, I am requesting you, please do not skip any part of this video and watch the entire video. If there is any doubt regarding the job, you can comment below so that I can resolve your query. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the screen and discuss about the job. Hello guys, welcome to a new job update in my channel, and today the job update is from Rocket Health company. It's a healthcare basis company and it is providing you a work from home based job, and the job domain is operations domain. So those who want to start their career in operations domain, they can apply for this role. It will be a complete work from home job. Freshers can also apply for this role. So if you have completed your graduation or post graduation and if you are looking for a work from home job opportunity, this video is for you. Here they have mentioned the title will be customer success associate and it will be a full-time role. Location they have mentioned remote or hybrid. If you are not available in Bangalore, you can ask for remote job opportunity as well. Joining date as soon as possible. Roles and responsibilities they have provided already. These points are very important, so please read them all before apply to this job. So these are some important key points, and read them all before apply to this job. And for this only I will provide you the job link in the description area. Skills they have mentioned: can hold a smile and a conversation. The communication skill should be very good in English and Hindi. This is the primary key point in skills. Should be comfortable communicating with customers via phone, WhatsApp, email and other messaging platforms. Inherent capacity to build a strong rapport and relationship with people. Knowledge about mental or sexual health care or any healthcare is an added advantage. This is not mandatory. So passion for speaking to people is a must. So these are the details. Here you can get the apply form. Please fill out the form here to apply. So you have to click on the here button to apply to this role. Below they have mentioned in the form you will also be asked to upload a 1 to 2 minute self-recorded video telling us why you are a good fit for this role. So how to prepare the video? Just be formal in the video, and in English or Hindi language you have to mention the key points as well in the video. So just take some time to prepare a video, and if required you can edit the video. The video should be within 1 to 2 minutes, so it will be very short, and there you have to mention everything. Okay, so here I am clicking on the here button, so it is redirecting to the application form. So here they will ask some questions like what will be your name, then after that you have to provide your name and you can click on next. Like that you have to fill up the form, and in the last section you will find the video area. You have to attach the recorded video which you have recorded for this job, and then you can apply for this role. So if your profile got shortlisted for this role, HR will call you or mail you for the interview purpose as soon as possible. Thank you. This is all about today's job update. If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care.